students of class 4th. Now we will start exercise 3. Exercise 3 is, in exercise 3 we have to discuss about the Indian place value chart, Indian PVC and international place value chart. So international PVC मतलब Indian place value system and international place value system. There are two systems all over the world. India accept Indian place value system, and at the international level the numbers are read at in international place value system. There are two systems to read the numbers. Suppose that there is a number that is 23,468. So in Indian place value system, this number will be read at read as 23,468. This number in international place value system already also read as 23,468. Means a little difference is there in both the systems. So let's discuss over the Indian place value system and international place value system. What is the difference between them? We will discuss. Now, first of all, discuss over the Indian place value chart. In Indian place value chart, there it is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. This is the Indian place value system. Suppose that we have a large number that is 3, 4, 5, 9, 6, 8, 2, 4. Now read this number. This system is Indian place value system. So how can we read this number? This is ones, tens, hundreds, the commas, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and this is crore, 10 crore. Ones, tens, hundred, insert a comma, thousand, 10,000, insert a comma again, lakh, 10 lakh, insert comma, crore, 10 lakh, 10 crore, insert a comma. This is the Indian place value system. In Indian place value system there is lakh, 10 lakh, crore, but in international place value system there is no space for lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So what is the international place value system? Let's discuss over it. This is clear, Indian place value system. Now international place value system, international place value system, this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. In place of lakh there is 100,000. After 10,000 this is 10,000, this is 100,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, this is 100,000. Then million, not crore, not lakh, there's million, 10 million and 100 million. So million, 10 million, 100 million. Means after 3 steps, 3 digits, after 3 places, its unit will be changed. This is 1,000, this is 100,000, and this is million, 10 million and 100 million. So now this is 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000, then million, 10 million, 100 million. Suppose that I have a number 0, 4, 2, 9, 6, 8, 3, 4. Now read this number. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. There is no space for lakh, 10 lakh and crore. This is million, 10 million means 43 million 869,000 240. This is the international place value system. So I hope you have understood about the Indian place value system and international place value system. Let's discuss the exercise. Exercise third. Your third exercise is question number 1. Arrange the following numbers in Indian place value chart. Means numbers are given there. These numbers we have to arrange in the sense there is no comma, so simply we have to insert the comma and number will be there in Indian place value system. These numbers we can also represent in both the system, Indian and international. It will be depends on the placing the commas. If we place the commas as international place value system, so number will be read in international place value system. If we insert the comma according to the Indian place value system, so number will be read as the Indian place value system. Now this point, this is 19285. We have to arrange in Indian place value system. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. So simply we have to place the comma. So 19,000, 285. This is the answer. Simply. Second part B. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. This is lakh. Means 2 lakh, 47,000, 158. Point C point is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. Means 7 lakh 25,175. This is the answer. Now part D. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. Means 9 lakh 28,750. Similarly, the second question, arrange the following numbers in international place value chart. Means similarly the question number 1, this question we have to arrange in international place value system. So part C and D we will solve. You will do part A and B. Part C is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and million. 100,000. There is not lakh and 10 lakh. So simply 172,000, 172,000, 259, and this number will be written as, first of all place the commas, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and 100,000. Means 327,000, 458. So this number will be read as 327,458. Now third question. Your third question is write the number names. Write the number names. In exercise 1, we have already read about the number name. Number name means numeration form and figure form. So figure form is also known as the numeral form, and number form is also known as the numeration form. Part A, 53,125. This number we have to represent in number names. Number names means in numeration form. So simply write the spelling of 53,125. So 5, this is 5,30,000. This is not a 5,30,000. This is not a correct answer. The answer is 53,125. So this will be written as 53,000 100 25. 23,125. 53,125. This is the numeration form of this number. Second number is 1,87,819. 1,87,819. Okay, this is right. 1,87,819. Part C, 9,27,471. 9,27,000. This question will be the answer of this question. Part C, I give you there. Part C, 9,27,471. 9,27,000. 9,27,471. 471. This is the numeration form of this number. Now next point. Our next point is 7,17,215. 7,17,215. Okay, this is correct one. Your next question number 4. Write the number names. Similar question, but question third was there in Indian place value system, and question 4 is in international place value system. Both the questions are same. Write the number names means numeration form we have to write there, but these numbers are written in the international place value system. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 means 412,351. 412,000 place your 1,000. 412,000 351. Okay, 412,321. 321. Part B, 167,897. 897. Okay, so simply part C and D you can fill in the book. Now question number 5. Fifth question is write the number putting commas at right place. Means these numbers we have to write using proper commas. 8 lakhs, this is the numeration form. We have to write this numeration form in figure form or numeral form, placing the commas at proper places. 9,99,412. Okay, 7,25,000. 7,25,931. 931. Part C is 235,000. 235,000. 469. Part D you can do by yourself. Question number 6. Sixth question is write the smallest and greatest number in figure and in words in Indian place value chart and in international place value chart. Smallest number of 6 digits. Smallest number of 6 digits means 1 lakh, and greatest number of 6 digits 900 99,999. This is Indian number system. In Indian number system, this is 1 lakh. In Indian number system, this is not a Indian number place value system. This is correct one. The greatest number will be 9 lakh, 99,999. This is the greatest 6-digit number in Indian place value system. Now part B, international system number system. Smallest number, this is 1 lakh, but in international place value system we cannot read it as 1 lakh. This will be 100,000. So this is 100,000. Greatest number 999,000. This is 999,999. So 999,000. This is 999,000. Insert here 99. 999,999. 999. This is 6th question. Now this exercise is over. So your third exercise is complete. Next exercise will be given later. If you have any type of doubt in this exercise, watch the video 2-3 times. Doubts will be clear. Thank you.